Welcome to this quick start video about setting up your permalink structure in WordPress. Okay, we're back at our WordPress blog that we've just set up for rapidactionlearning.com, and we're going to show you in this video very quickly how to change your URL permalink structure. So let's start by looking how it is out of the box. So if we click on the Hello World post, you can see that the really attractive URL permalink structure is basically not very attractive at all. It refers to the post ID with this amendment to the URL. That's not very user friendly, so we want to make that a little bit better. So we'll snap back to the home page, and then we'll hop in to our admin area. Now, before we start, we'll go over to the tool setting and we'll go to reading. When you first set up your new WordPress site and you're just getting it all set up, one of the things you want to do is just tick this search engine visibility box. And what that does is it tells Google and the other search engines not to crawl your site. You don't want Google and the search engines crawling in some of that hello world and some of the template content that's there. So it's generally better just to turn that off. Now you have to remember to turn it back on. This being an SEO course, we want the search engines eventually to start indexing your site. So just bear that in mind, that tick box has been there, but it's a good place to start. So now let's move over to the permalinks here. And this is really easy to change your permalink structure. The one that I recommend everybody use is this simple post name. So you can see by default it's set to the page or post number. Well, when you click on post name, you can see what happens in a custom structure. It adds it in there, but really what we're doing is we want our URL / name of the post ending /. Now there's one other structure we could talk about briefly, and that is if you want to put your category name in front of the post name. So what you can do is you can click in there and it automatically highlights the custom structure. You put in the %, type in category and % and /. So now what you have is basically this tag in here, and it tells WordPress to append your category name in front of your post name. Now, I personally don't think that's particularly useful. If you have a lot of posts and a lot of categories, I mean a lot of content, then there could be some value in doing that. And you probably would want to do it at the beginning rather than the end. But for simplicity, I just prefer this. I think it's the easiest thing for people to remember if they have to remember a direct URL. And the only thing that you have to do is make sure that you don't have URLs with the same post or page name. But WordPress will warn you if that happens, so it's not such a big issue. So generally, just go ahead, tick that, click Save Changes. And now when we go back to our page, we'll do a quick refresh. And now we'll click on the Hello World post, and you can see the URL's changed to a little bit more friendly hello-world URL. So that's getting your custom permalinks set up in WordPress.